Hey friends, if you wish to fix photo capture file creation failed camera error 0xA00F424F 0x80131500, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the camera privacy settings. And how would you do that? First of all, you will have to right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the privacy and security tab here. In the right pane, select camera. Make sure that the switch for camera access and let apps access your camera both are on. The next one is reset camera app. So search for camera in the Windows search bar and then go to app settings, and then we'll scroll down and then we'll click on reset and then on reset once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.